we go again. Look lively there, shipmates. It's a pirate from the Caribbean. Yeah, I could work here. I don't really see a problem with that. Look at that. Check that out. Look lively there, shipmates. Absolute pleasure. Like that. Okay, follow me, amigos. Around the pumps. Look lively there. There's an officer on deck. Let's see what we've got here. Hey, the rigging. Like this. This is cool. Down by the waterside. Ship ahoy. Ship ahoy, ship ahoy, ship ahoy, ship ahoy. Ship ahoy. Ship ahoy, ship ahoy, ship ahoy. Phoenicia. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. That's where I gotta go, amigos. Yeah. It's just getting better and better, innit? Look. Down by the waterside. Coming into more. Oh, yeah, that's the life, isn't it? Motherfucker's got his hedge funds, you know, gilts, equities, bonds. What is that? French flag? Oh, tout le monde. Voila. Saint-Tropez, yeah. Motherfucker player, eh? Mr. Hedge Fund. There's the Enigma. Yeah. This'll work. And yeah, here we International House. Anyway. Let's go to work.